guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thanks for visiting my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn very quick how to add a button into a Wix website, and also how you're gonna change the design, and even how to add a link. So let's get to it. So on your left side, you're gonna find a panel, and you're gonna see this little button that says add, and it has a little cross. So we're gonna click on it, and then we're gonna look for button. And here you will find different types of buttons that are already like pre-designed for you to choose. So I'm just gonna go and pick one of them, make it slightly bigger by clicking and dragging these little anchors on the sides. So I drag it where I want it, and we are gonna go quickly. If you click on it once, it's gonna make this pop-up menu at the top. So we're gonna go to design, and we are gonna choose customize design, and it gives you the choice to change the design when it's like not click and when you hover over the button. So right now it's in regular mode, so I'm gonna change the fill color and the opacity, and I'm gonna change it to a really nice pink. And here you can change the border, you can change the corners and add a shadow. I don't want to touch those. I'm just going to change the text. I'm going to change the text to be a different type of font. Let's say Georgia, and we're going to change it to size 20. And I'm going to change the color to black. Now on hover, I want the fill color and opacity to have this nice blue, and I want the text to also be black when people hover. So now let's take a quick preview, and here you can see how the design has changed. Now let's add a link very quick, so you have an idea how this works. So you click on the button once again, and then you're gonna see on this top menu that you're gonna find this little circle that says link. So you click on that, and here you're gonna find all the possible choices of how you can link your button. So you can say, I don't want it to go to anywhere. I want to link it to a web address, or I want to link it to an existing page that I already have in my website. Also, you can link it to an anchor. We can get into that a little bit ahead. To the top or the bottom of the page, a document, an email, a phone number, or a light box. In this case, I'm gonna just link it to my website, just for the sake of the tutorial. And we're gonna paste the link of my website right here. Click on, and as we go to preview mode, we click on the button, and as you can see, it's sending me to my website. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, very easy to edit, and yeah. So if you have any questions, just drop your questions on the comments, and I hope to see you soon.